Hi, my name is Gabriel Martin.
Hello, I'm Jonathan, J.G. Baxter on Kickstarter. And we're the Gamesmiths, now funding on Kickstarter.
On Target is a miniatures game accessory used to determine lines of sight and firing arcs.
It's also great for tabletop RPGs and confusing small animals.
About a year ago, we were playing X-Wing. The game is played with this little cardboard ruler, which is used to determine lines of sight. You'd often have to move ships, you could bump them, shift them,
And then put them back wrong.
I thought it just got in the way. It was hard to use and I didn't like it. There had to be a better way. The first solution that I developed were these little spacers made out of wire. They were helpful, but they weren't really the answer. Then I realized I had a level line laser in the garage. It works, it draws lines.
But it's kind of bulky. It needed to be smaller.
So I started looking online and I found some line lasers, but they were quite expensive. I just couldn't find anything suitable. That got me thinking, why not make one? So I went to a dollar store and I bought a couple of cheap laser pointers. They sort of worked for a minute or two. Then I got an expensive laser pointer. I extracted the lines from the laser level and MacGyvered them together into this.
Our first prototype. It worked, it threw lines, and we used it for a little while.
I said we should get this to market.
And I replied, we should get this on Kickstarter.
We engaged the manufacturer in Asia, and after months of prototyping and discussions, we arrived at the perfect specifications. Shortly afterwards, we received some pre-production samples. As you can see, this is a well-made unit. This isn't a cheapo laser. It was built on a design for a tough, accurate, tool-mounted industrial laser.
So you know it's going to last. And because it's a line laser and not a laser pointer, it's a novelty Class 1 laser designator, which is allowed pretty much everywhere. The usefulness of this device is clear, and should you wish to fund on Target to its logical conclusion, you can get yours here on Kickstarter by backing us.
This concludes our proposal. We thank you for your consideration.
Let's
Go. From the top.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Martin.
And I'm Jonathan.
This is gonna take all night.
Spit it out!